Now this is a Zenith color console. It's got the 20Y1C38 chassis. I'm not exactly sure about the number, but I think that's right. Anyway, what I like about this set is it's a console. It's not too big. It's got the nice feet,
camels,
nice wood cabinet.
I guess that'd be some kind of a
French provincial, or almost like a ball and claw, but there's no claw on that foot. Anyway, the set required quite a bit of work to get up and running. I mean, normal stuff, caps mainly. The vertical was real jumpy. This set has a very weak CRT. It takes quite a while for it to come up to temperature. The picture's not that great right now because I don't think I even have an antenna hooked up to it. This is just it picking up the picture, the signal over the air, with the length of the terminals to the tuner as the antenna. But it reproduces colors well, even though it has a weak CRT, so the demodulation is working very well. It's just the CRT is just a real dog. When I got it, it had a brightener on it. The reds blow out pretty badly. So the plan on this is I've got another CRT that tests very strong. That just needs to have the cataract removed. You can see the green cataract on this one here. Well, the one I have that I'm planning on replacing it with is an RCA with a different kind of cataract. It has to be removed. So we're going to be taking that out and replacing this CRT in the future. And I think when I do that, this is going to become one of my favorite sets. Just it's a Zenith. It's really well built. The interlacing is always perfect on it. If I get up close, you'll see what I mean. I mean, it just works really well. I'm not ready to do much doing that. But yeah, it's a Zenith. It's very well built. Like I said, I need a few caps. I think most of the tubes were okay. What I like about Zeniths, they have really stout flybacks. They don't really have any problems in the flyback department, which is something you always got to worry about with these vintage TVs. Let me turn this down a little bit. Competing with this guy. This set's got some interesting features. I mean, it has a typical Zenith, which is the open up door down here for all the controls. Auxiliary controls. The convergence board is behind this speaker grill. You can take the speaker grill, lift it up, and pull it out, and you can get access to the convergence board, which is kind of neat. Not much else to it. Like I said, it's got the woodwork is in pretty good shape. I'd say probably about maybe a 7 out of 10. No deep dings or gouges or anything like that. The paintwork around here is pretty rubbed off. The tuner, well, the tuner was what it is. I mean, it's got a UHF, but that's useless. I think to access UHF, you turn it this way, and the little UHF window lights up, and then you can try to tune something in here. I don't know if I can get anything. Let's see. Usually there's a religious channel right around here I can usually pick up, but without the antenna hooked up to it, I guess I'm not going to get anything to it. Oh, there it is. Ever so slightly. So that's an over-the-air low power station, but really I need to get an antenna hooked up to it. But it's kind of interesting the way it's, I think they call it a concentric tuner, and everything's in this one package. There you go. We're back to the over-the-air transmission on channel 4. That's it for the Zenith. Thanks again for watching. I'll see if I have any stills of this to add as a part 2. I couldn't find any on that Magnavox. Thanks again.